Mario once again with MIA Microflight, and this is my down counter for my pinball machine. It displays the ball count, 10 balls via these LEDs. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then the game stops the clock, and then you have to reset the game to start a new game, basically. This is a circuit that uses a CD4017 decade counter. It's got a built-in 555 timer just to test the circuit on board. I don't need the 555 timer since the triggering is going to be done via infrared switches. The switch is going to sense the ball, either this one or a proximity switch that's going to sense the ball when it drops into the gutter. So that minimizes the count one by one here. I did need a latching circuit here, and that's what those two transistors are there for on each of the outputs, because each LED needs to be latched independently from the other ones here. That's how you establish the down count with a latching feature. This chip by itself does not latch the LEDs on each clock pulse, because the clock pulse goes high and low, high and low. Each LED goes also high and low, high and low, so it's not latching. It just turns on and off, turns on and off. You can invert that with an inverter to do the opposite, but it's not latching until you include a latching circuit. That's the purpose of these two transistors here that are basically set up as an SR latch or a flip-flop circuit. So this is my circuit that's doing that. Yeah, let me turn this on. Right now I have the clock already connected to the 555 timer, so you probably won't be able to see this individually. So anyway, anytime the clock pulse comes in, it diminishes the count by one. Let me remove this right here, the clock pulse, and just connect all the LEDs. Should come on at the same time. There's one LED that's not it's not functioning correctly. It's at this corner or right there. So I just replaced that LED. That was bad, but I think I also have a bad transistor there. So I'm gonna have to replace that, trace that transistor and replace it. But otherwise, this is supposed to, upon reset, boom, all 10 LEDs come on at the same time to display the 10 balls that you have available as the game starts. And then every time you pulse on the clock pulse of this 4017, it triggers the outputs. They go typically high, but because of this circuitry here, it typically inverts that signal and turns off the respective LED. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, etc. So that's how the circuit works. My down counter for my pinball machine. Mario once again with MIA Microflight. Stay tuned for more.